Moving on, a film that's breaking records is now breaking into politics. Dhurandhar 2 has stormed the box office but off-screen. It has triggered a full-blown political battle, allegations of propaganda, claims of political funding, warnings of electoral impact. This is no longer just a film under discussion, it is now a narrative under scrutiny. And as the audience fills theatres, political lines are being drawn just as sharply outside. The scale of its success is impossible to ignore. In just 4 days, Dhurandhar has crossed 400 crores, a staggering run that has packed theatres and driven massive footfall across the country. Dhurandhar 2 has turned into a phenomenon on its own. But with that kind of reach comes influence. And that is exactly what has triggered the political storm, which is now unfolding around the film. The opposition is asking, when a film reaches this many people, is it still just entertainment? Or is it shaping perception ahead of crucial elections? From Samajwadi Party to the Congress, leaders are alleging that Dhurandhar 2 is a politically loaded narrative, one they claim is designed to influence and polarize.
पैसा देकर के फिल्में बना रहे हैं आप लोग दूसरे दलों को बदनाम करने के लिए। मुझे तो लगता है इन पे ज्यादा पैसा हो गया जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री तक पैसा पहुंचाया जा रहा है। पैसा देकर के फिल्में बना रहे हैं आप लोग दूसरे दलों को बदनाम करने के लिए। मुझे तो लगता है इन पे ज्यादा पैसा हो गया जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री तक पैसा पहुंचाया जा रहा है।
धुरंधर मूवी को मोदी इमेज बिल्डने के लिए यूज किया जा रहा है और देश में एक विशेष तरह का वातावरण बनाने की कोशिश की गई है। बड़े सटल से बड़ी शैतानियत से वो बुरी बात है। हम सब लोग हिंदुस्तान के लोग भाईचारा बनाकर भाईचारा को मजबूत करके एक अच्छा सुंदर हिंदुस्तान बनाना चाहते हैं, तरक्की याफ्ता ना कि नफरत का हिंदुस्तान।
बेसिक कहानी कुछ भी हो, जोड़ तोड़ के हम प्रधानमंत्री के चहेते एक सलाहकार हैं, उन्होंने न जाने कितनी मूवियां बनवा दी अपने को हीरो बनाने के लिए।
I have not seen the movie, but if it is so, as the other people are saying, I think it is very sad. And I think the people who are producing the film, they should rise above these petty politics. Their job is not to do politics. Let the politicians, let the parties fight themselves amongst themselves. It is not the job of projecting one party's interest by the film producers. And I think it would be sad if it is there.
They can finance some money to anyone to make a film like Dhurandhar, like Kerala Files, Kashmir Files, etc. They were heavily funded. So what Mr. Akhilesh Yadav says is correct. These are funded, politically funded, and they are propaganda films. And Dhurandhar 2 is completely propaganda. It's just to influence the elections in Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, of course.
The BJP, of course, is hitting back and hitting back hard, rejecting the propaganda charge outright. Party leaders say the outrage is not about film, but about the truth it puts on screen. They argue that Dhurandhar 2 is exposing realities that some political parties are uncomfortable acknowledging.
Wasteful expenditure of money, Akhilesh ji, was when you used to sponsor the dance of many artists from Bollywood in Saifai. This film perhaps has certain characters whom Mr. Akhilesh Yadav was revering, eulogizing, calling them as Mananiya Sansad, but they were actually not people who were Mananiya Sansad. They were the moles of ISI. They were the agents of Pakistan trying to destabilize India through their mafia, drug and other networks. And maybe this truth has come out in the film. And that is why Akhilesh Yadav is so perturbed, so disturbed with the success of this film.
आप भी बना लो ना भैया, आप भी इसी तरह की जो है वो कौन क्या बता रहे हैं, कौन सी फिल्म जो है वो इस प्रोपेगेंडा फिल्म आप भी बना लो। क्यों इस चक्करों में पड़े हुए हो? आप फिल्म देखो, फिल्म को जो है वो एंजॉय करो। फिल्म में जो हकीकत है या फसाना है उसको देखो। आप अपने उसमें भी आप जो है वो बहाना ढूंढ रहे हो।
I would like to congratulate Aditya Dhar and all the actors and actors of this movie. But I think the message it sends is that we are constantly under attack from many of the forces which are from outside. Specifically, UP is under attack, and I think we have to be careful about this. And the people of this country should know about this. I'm not saying that every fact in that movie is right, because it is a movie. It is not a documentary. It is a fictional movie. But some facts are correlated to reality, which makes it more interesting.
देखिए, ऐसा है, धुरंधर फिल्म एक ऐसी फिल्म है इतने सालों में कभी लोगों ने नहीं देखा हो, ऐसी फिल्म बनी है। मैं इस फिल्म के लिए बहुत गर्व एहसास करती हूँ कि ऐसे हमारे डायरेक्टर और हमारे हीरो जो है, ये फिल्म में जिस तरह का जो किरदार जो रणवीर ने जो किया था, वो 100% उन्होंने ऐसे फिल्म को दिखाया है, ऐसे रोल किया है। मैं उनको 100% उनको बधाई देना चाहती हूँ और खास हमारे डायरेक्टर को भी बधाई देना चाहती हूँ। ऐसे स्क्रिप्ट कभी नहीं बनी है और बनेगा।
With that, we're slipping into a short break. We have a lot more lined up on the other side.